Well, it's beginning to feel a lot more like Christmas. So far in December, we are 5 degrees below average, and this is coming off in November where we were pretty much at a record for Starkville. So, as we expect for this time of year, temperatures do get colder. Remember in the beginning of the semester, average high is in the lower 90s, but now we're tailing into the end of the semester. We're just about at the end, and average high is 57. That's the best we could muster up for this time of year. So in Starkville, it gets cold during the winter, and today it's been pretty cold because there's a blanket of clouds in the sky. You can see that here, but the recent cold has made little fall foliage more visible for our area, which has made the fall pictures and everything very, very nice. So there's that cloud coverage right here. What's going on is the high pressure area here, tight pressure gradient steering a lot of strong winds out in the Gulf. Now we will get some more southerly winds, so overnight I am expecting a warm up. Nothing in the rain, in the way of rain just yet. The main thing we'll feel is a warm up. You can see really noticing that in Louisiana. For us, we'll hit about 39 degrees this morning. It's slightly warmer than what we were for your Friday morning. And in the afternoon, more southerly fetch of wind will drive us up into the lower 60s. Mostly cloudy skies, and then we start introducing rain chances in the evening hours. So tomorrow, lower 60s with rain chances in the evening, cloudy and breezy at times too as winds start carrying out of the south. Sunday, morning rain, but that will clear in the afternoon, but we still will be cloudy. So graduates, this is what we expect. Your lunch plans tomorrow are going to be good, but I am suspecting in the evening we will have to watch out for rain. So tomorrow evening, a round of rain will come in, and then there will be a lull, a brief lull, and different models don't know quite what to do with it. Some are actually putting all of this rain in Tennessee, but I do think we'll see some rain overnight into Sunday, especially morning rain continuing for Sunday. So if you have any church plans, keep that in mind as you are about to head out. And then I do think we'll clear by around Sunday evening. Can't rule out, I guess, some more rainfall in the afternoon, but chances go significantly down. So there's your first round of rain, and then even more rain is going to be in the forecast for your Tuesday, your Wednesday, and your Thursday. There's going to be another cold front coming in. Notice how the line tries to break up as the low heads out further to the north. So expecting rain on your Tuesday, break for Wednesday, and then another low pressure comes. This one will be a little bit further south, so I'm more confident that we will see rain on your Wednesday into early Thursday, and then all that clears out Thursday evening. So we're looking at round of rain Saturday, round of rain Monday into Tuesday, and another one Wednesday, maybe into Thursday as well. A key thing I want to mention is the temperatures stay pretty consistently in the mid-60s and lower 70s, so temperatures will warm. It won't be at least cooling down that significantly after the rain passes in, with lows only in the 50s. So Brody, not as cold as we have been getting, but as we head into the Christmas, the extended forecast, what are we looking at?
Well, as we get closer to Christmas, we are seeing some signals and hints that we could be tracking some colder air as we get toward the Christmas holiday. So let's go beyond the 7-day, shall we? Taking a look at the temperature outlook from December 21st to December 22nd. So this incorporates the entire week of Christmas. We're seeing some signals of below average temperatures for a good portion of the southeast. And I know some of our area is kind of split between near normal and below average. I think this will kind of shift a little bit more westward at the next update from the Climate Prediction Center. Now, taking a look at the precipitation outlook, same week, same time frame, we are tracking below average rainfall, and I think that will kind of go and coincide with the forecast, I think, for that week of Christmas. So let's look at the weather calendar, kind of going beyond the 7-day here. We do have the shower chances for Saturday, Sunday, Monday coming up. We may need to add a shower chance on to Tuesday. Just kind of stay tuned to the forecast with that. And then kind of eyes turn to the middle of this week and then the end of next week, because we have a storm system coming in around the Wednesday, Thursday time frame. I think that's going to bring in some colder air. But I also think we're going to get a part 2 of that system. I think the part 2 of that system comes in around the 20th, the 21st, the 22nd. Another disturbance is going to come in through. Some colder air is going to be coming down, and it can catch up with the moisture and try to produce some scattered snow showers. So that's why I did put possible snow showers on there for the first, and then it gets colder right before Christmas, and will kind of stay around average or below average for Christmas. So let's take a look at that snow chance I was talking to you about. We'll start the Futurecast Friday morning at 8 a.m. So this is the following Friday, week from today. We do see some snow up toward far northeastern Arkansas. Watch as it gets closer to Memphis, and also watch, the intensity and stuff as it also gets closer. We still got pretty good batch of snow, but as it comes into northeast Mississippi, it loses its umph and, the amount of good snow. We're just kind of left with some scattered, isolated snow showers. But this model still says some isolated snow showers are possible. Then as we go through the rest of the day on Friday night into Saturday, just a few snowflakes flying in the sky. So again, I'm not seeing no major winter storm, but I am seeing some signs that colder air could meet up with some moisture at the end of next week for a week from today, and we could have a few isolated snow showers, some snowflakes flying around. Maybe it might stick to the mailbox. That's really about it. No travel impacts. But as we go through the rest of the forecast, let's look toward Christmas. Let's get kind of a preview of Christmas. Right now, I'm going with highs in the 50s with mostly dry conditions and cooler. So we could be in the 40s for Christmas. We also could have an opportunity for some isolated showers around. So stay tuned to the forecast, especially once we get to about Wednesday. We'll have a pretty good handle on what's going to happen, especially for the next weekend with that snow chance. And then, we'll be able to really fine-tune that forecast for Christmas. Are we going to be even colder than this? Are we going to stay in the 50s? So signs are, as we get toward Christmas and leading up to Christmas, it will turn a little colder.